Hey everyone, welcome to Los Angeles, California, the city of angels, where dreams come true, and the weather is always perfect. Today, we're trading in our car keys for walking shoes and taking you on an epic tour of downtown LA. So lace up your walking shoes and get ready to explore all that downtown LA has to offer. And who knows, maybe you'll even catch a glimpse of a celebrity or two along the way. It's all part of the magic of the city of angels. First stop, Union Station. If you're staying in downtown LA, you can easily walk to get there. Otherwise, take the metro to Union Station. This bustling transportation hub is an architectural gem, blending Spanish colonial, Mission Revival, and Art Deco styles. Opened in 1939, it's often called the last of the great railway stations in the United States. Here's a fun fact. Union Station has appeared in countless movies and TV shows, including The Dark Knight Rises, Blade Runner, and Catch Me If You Can. It's the perfect place to kick off our tour and maybe even catch a glimpse of a Hollywood star filming a movie. And speaking of celebrities, rumor has it that Marilyn Monroe used to frequent Union Station back in the day. Maybe she was just catching a train, or maybe she was filming a glamorous scene. Either way, it adds a touch of old Hollywood glamour to this already charming spot. After exploring the railway station, it's time to step back in time and explore El Pueblo de Los Angeles Historical Monument, the birthplace of LA, which is located right across Union Station. Did you know that El Pueblo was founded in 1781 by a group of 44 settlers known as Los Pobladores? That's right, LA's roots go way back. This vibrant area is the oldest section of Los Angeles and features historic buildings, museums, and the lively Olvera Street. While you're in the area, check out historical landmarks like the Avila Adobe, the oldest standing residence in LA, the Plaza Methodist Church, one of the oldest Protestant churches in Los Angeles, and Pico House, a grand hotel that was built by Pio Pico, the last governor of Mexican California. And of course, don't forget to explore Olvera Street. This colorful marketplace is lined with shops selling Mexican crafts, souvenirs, and some of the best street food in town. Here's a pro tip. Try the taquitos at Cielito Lindo. They've been a local favorite since 1934. And here's another spicy tidbit for you. Olvera Street hosts vibrant celebrations throughout the year, including Dia de los Muertos and Las Posadas. After exploring the vibrant history and culture of El Pueblo de Los Angeles Historical Monument, it's time to enjoy some green space in the middle of the city at the Gloria Molina Grand Park. To get there, head south on Main Street or Los Angeles Street. Then head northwest on Temple Street. Stretching from the Music Center to City Hall, Gloria Molina Grand Park offers a perfect blend of green spaces, fountains, and areas to relax. It's like Central Park's laid-back West Coast cousin. Let's take a leisurely stroll and soak in the LA sunshine. Once you're here, check out the Arthur J. Will Memorial Fountain. This beautiful fountain features a splash pad area where kids and kids at heart can cool off on hot days. The fountain's design includes a unique membrane pool that creates a shallow reflective surface, perfect for those Instagram-worthy photos. The park also features performance lawns. Spacious green areas are perfect for picnics, yoga sessions, or just lounging in the grass. And there's also the Court of Flags. This area features flags from all 50 states, as well as the flags of Los Angeles, California, and the United States. And if you're famished from all that walking, the community terrace is the perfect spot to enjoy a snack or a meal with a view. With its shaded seating areas and beautiful planters filled with native plants, it's a great place to take a break and recharge. Next, stroll along Grand Avenue and you'll find many gems along the way. There's the Walt Disney Concert Hall, a stunning building that's home to the Los Angeles Philharmonic. The concert hall's acoustics are considered some of the best in the world, thanks to its state-of-the-art design. And right next to it, the Broad Museum, home to an impressive collection of contemporary art. From Jeff Koons' shiny balloon animals to Yayoi Kusuma's mind-bending infinity rooms, this museum is a feast for the eyes. Plus, admission is free, so you can save your dollars for some LA street food later. Right across the Broad Museum is the Museum of Contemporary Art, home to over 7,000 pieces of contemporary art, from paintings and sculptures to installations and multimedia works. After enjoying some downtown atmosphere, it's time to take a ride down memory lane with Angel's Flight. To get there, head over to Olive Street, at the back of the Museum of Contemporary Art. And here we are, Angel's Flight. This adorable funicular railway first opened in 1901 and has been charming Angelenos ever since. It's the shortest railway in the world, but what it lacks in length, it makes up for in character. Here's a fun fact. Angel's Flight has appeared in movies like La La Land and 500 Days of Summer. Featuring two rail cars, named Olivet and Sinai, Angel's Flight take passengers up and down Bunker Hill. It's a quick ride, but it's packed with history and charm. So there you have it, Angel's Flight, where history, charm, and a touch of whimsy come together in perfect harmony. Whether you're here to ride the funicular, enjoy the views, or simply soak in the historic vibes, this attraction is a must-visit. Right across the drop-off from Angel's Flight is the Grand Central Market, a foodie paradise and your ultimate reward for all that walking. This historic food hall has been serving LA since 1917 and offers a mouth-watering variety of cuisines from local vendors. Whether you're craving tacos, ramen, or fresh produce, this market has something for everyone. If you're feeling adventurous, explore some of their food stalls. From freshly shucked oysters to artisanal ice cream, Grand Central Market has it all. And then there's also the Egg Slut. Yes, that's really the name. This popular spot is famous for its gourmet egg sandwiches, and trust me, they live up to the hype. If you want something fresh, Grand Central Market also offers a variety of fresh produce from local vendors. From juicy strawberries to crisp apples, you'll find everything you need for a healthy snack or a delicious meal. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of the City of Angels. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.